أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
ألف فتح
before starting everything and especially before Quran, starting the Quran in Islam, A'udhu Billah and Bismillah, complete. It's very important. Please don't forget it. Okay?
Okay.
Please, thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف فتح ألف كسرة إي ألف دمة أو آ إي أو أو إي آ ح ح ألف ح ح كسرة حي ح دمة حو ح حي حو حو حي ح
Ha fataha, ha kasahi, ha damahu, ha hihu. Okay, good.
Okay. N فتح هن كسرة حي هن دمة حو ح حي حو حو حي ح correct ح فتح ح كسرة هي ح دمة حو ح حي حو
Uhiha. Reverse.
ح حي حو حو حي ح
Please, Ayn, one time more. I will tell you spell. Ha, ha, H double A. Ha. Understand?
ها
Yeah. And
ها
Ayn. Ayn spellings I will tell you now. A-Y-E-N.
N
Ayn. Ayn. Okay?
N N
Yeah, especially don't forget this and don't mix the sound ha and ayn. If you will mix the sound ha or ayn, then in Quran meanings will change. That's not good. Yeah, very careful. Yeah. Okay. I will tell you again. Ha sound is with H and ayn sound is with A. A.
Okay.
A ayn. H ha.
Okay.
Yeah. Ayn, please.
N فتح N كسرة إي N دمة أو آ إي أو أو إي آ
Nice reading now. Next, please.
Okay. ح فتح ح كسرة هي ح دمة هو ح هي هو هو هي ها قين فتح قا قين كسرة قي
This
قين
gain, okay, with one dot, gain, right? And sound in ABC spellings I am telling you. Please listen to me. Gain actually will start G. G and H. G, G, G. G-H-A-I-N. G-H-A-I-N. Gain.
Gain.
Please spell.
G-H-I-N.
A-I-N.
A-I-N. G-H-A-I.
Yeah, and Ain spells, please. Ain will, okay, Ain first spell only. Only first spell, tell me, of Ain.
N-A-Y-N.
Oh, Ain with A. Ain will start
Yeah.
with A. A, B, C, D, E, F. A. Ain with A. And Ha with H.
Hold on. I have to get my charger. Hold on.
Okay, okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. Yeah, please continue if you're comfortable now.
Okay. So he said N is A-Y-N, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then Qan.
GH will start, then GH. First
Qan.
letter is GHYN.
Qan.
What spell is gain?
Qan.
Spellings tell me of gain.
Qan. I'm saying G-A-Y-N.
Nice. MashaAllah. And Kha spells?
Kha.
After gain?
K-H-A.
Good, nice. Excellent. Okay.
Okay, where do you want me to
From the start, start from the end now, please.
An Fata A. An Kasra E. An Dhamma U. A I U. U I A. Ha Fata Ha. Ha Kasra He. Ha Dhamma Hu. Ha He Hu. Qan Fata Qa. Qan
sounds?
Qan Fata Qa.
Gain sounds, tell me. Spells, please. Gain spell.
Qan Fata Qa.
Gain spellings in English.
Ghain. That's how I do it.
Ghain. Okay. And what you will pronounce this letter?
Qa.
Ga.
Qa.
Guidance. Guideline in English sentence. This is one sentence is guideline. Right, like a way. Right way, guideline. Guidelines, in guidelines spells first which letter?
G.
G. Guideline. Guide.
Can you say
Guide. Ga. Guide. Guide in first G. Guide. G. It's mix this sound in gain. Same sound. Guide and gain. Same sound, please. Don't ignore it. Don't forget, and don't different sound. Same sound. Guidance and gain. Guideline and guide.
Qain.
Say guideline.
Can you say guideline?
Say guidance.
Kindness.
That's gain. Same sound. Yeah.
You mean kindness?
Guidance. Guideline. Guideline like right way. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. Oh Allah, give me right way. Yeah. Same pronouncing. Guideline and gain. Guide me. Oh teacher, I forget my yesterday's lesson. Please guide me. I don't understand yesterday's lesson. Please guide me. Guideline, guidance, guide me, and same sound as gain. Gain. Okay, understand?
So how do you say kha? Qain, fata. How do you say that?
Gain, fata, ga. Gain, kasagi. Gain, damagu. Ga, gi, gu. Okay? Ga, gi, gu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Qain, fata, qa.
You are reading good. All letters from the alif to ya. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, chin, shwa, da, ta, da, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, lam, mim, waw, ha, hamza, ya. Good reading, mashallah. But you practice required only gain, ain. Understand? Only.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. Some weakness in this. Inshallah, all letters you are reading good. Mashallah. You are reading well. Excellent. But some weakness in ain and gain. Inshallah, you will improve it. I hope, inshallah. Yeah. You are an intelligent student. Mashallah.
Only if I can get ain or qain. They're very confused with me because in English, your voice, when you speak English, your throat is lazy.
Okay, no.
But in Arabic, you have to use your throat very much.
Oh, throat. Please remember me tomorrow. I will send you Tajweed with throat pictures.
Okay.
Throat map.
Okay.
Yeah. With arrows.
Okay.
Yeah. Inshallah. That's very helpful map structure. That's Tajweed.
Okay.
Please wait. I'm searching in. Wait. I tell you now. تجوید حروف حلقی letters حلقی letters English حلقی letters I am sending you please with throat inshallah it's very helpful for you. Nice, alhamdulillah. That's completed. I am sending you please. Where this one? Yeah. Please receive it now. I send you now this one. Can you receive it now? Can you receive it?
Yeah, I
Yeah, please
received it.
focus. Yeah, focus on this map from the beginning to last letter. Haruf halqi. It's throttle letters. Throttle letter is 6. Hamza ha, ain ha, ghain ha. Okay. And on top of throat, like in Arabic, aqsa halaq. But in Arabic, I don't teach you. I am teaching you in English. I will explain for you. Top of throat, ghain and kha. Our topic today, ghain and kha. Okay. Yeah, GH. I was telling you before 1 minute. Also, this picture creator will teach you this GH. Understand? Yeah, in green color, kha and gain, and in bottom of gain or kha, in English explanation. Can you understand?
Okay.
What understand? Tell me. Explain for me, please, this gain kha.
Ghain Qa is the top of the throat.
How? Pronouncing style. With practical, tell me.
EKH. Ghain Qa Qa Ghain Qa. Qa Qa
Only gain. Explain for me now.
Qa.
Exercise, practice required only. You understand it, alhamdulillah, I know. But practice required now. Exercise. When your throat will used to, then easy for reading.
Qa 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 Qa. Ghain 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 Ghain.
What difference in gain and kha?
One is G and one is K.
Nice. MashaAllah. Kha, read now.
Kha Kha
And gain.
Kha Kha. Ghain
Gain,
Ghain
please.
Ghain
Gain. Nice. Okay.
Ghain.
I think you understand now. We will continue to guide the lesson now. And you like now practice.
Okay.
What?
I practice.
Exercise. You like? And on qaida we are go back now.
Okay. قين فتقا. قين دم كسر قي. قين دم قو. قا قي قو.
Yeah, don't forget it rule. Okay, GH gain and kha KH. Yeah, please. From the ayn one time, please.
A عين فتح A. عين كسر E. عين دم O. A I O. ها فتح ها. ها كسر هي. ها دم هو. ها هي هو. هو هي ها. قين فتح قا. قين فتح قا. قين كسر قي. قي. قين دم قو. 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 قا قي قو. قو قي قا.
Gain spellings, tell me in English.
GHAYN.
Nice. And kha spellings.
KHA.
Nice. MashaAllah. Okay. Next, please. After gain.
قا. قا فتح قا. قا كسر قي. كسر قي. قا دم كو. قا كي كو. كو كي قي قا.
Nice. What should I like now next and this practice? Okay, cough start now. No issue.
قاف فتح قا.
Okay, tell me now cough spellings. Q.
K.
Listen to me first. Q A F. Cough. It's bold cough. Okay, with Q. Q M N O P. After P word. Cow. Okay, cow. It's bold cough with 2 dots. You pronounce it cough. And pronouncing place of ghain. Which place in throat? Tell me.
Can you repeat that?
Top of throat.
Yeah.
Ghain and kha. Okay. Ghain and kha place of reading. Top of throat. Also cough reading top of throat.
Cough.
With Q. Q-A-F. Cough. It's bold cough reading rule.
Cough.
Okay. Read it green cough with 2 dots. Cough is bold. Okay.
Cough. Cough. Fatah. Cough.
Nice. Excellent.
Cough. Kasra. Qi. Qi. Cough. Dhamma. Qu. Qu. Qa. Qi. Qu. Qu. Qi. Qa.
Nice. Please, exercise required also this cough. I like you will expert in reading. Okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cough, please.
قاف فتح قا. قاف كسر قي. قاف ضم قو. قا قي قو. قاف فتح قا. قاف كسر قي. قاف ضم قو. قا قا قي قو. قو قي قا.
How many dots?
2 dots. 2 dots.
2 dots, and the English spellings, tell me now.
Qaf. Qa.
English spells.
K-A-A-S.
No. K, no. After P, which letter in English? Alphabets of English. After P. M-N-O-P.
Q.
Q.
Is after P.
After P, which letter?
Q.
Q sound in bold cough. The dot cough. Q sound. K, no. K, no. Q. Okay?
Q.
Yeah, remember. Yeah.
Q. Qaf fatah qa. Qaf kasra qi. Qaf damma qu. qa qi qu. Qu qi qa.
In complete English language, under alphabet of English, right?
Can you pronounce it for me?
Sorry?
Can you pronounce it for me?
Qaf?
The letters Qaf with fatah and kasra and damma.
Yeah, Qaf is green letter, Qaf with 2 dots. Qaf, okay? In English, starting word first, tew, not K. Tew. Qaf, fatah, qa. It's bold letter. Qaf, fatah, qa. Qaf. It's top of throat. Pronounce it. Qaf, fatah, qa. Qaf, kasra, qi. Qaf, dhamma, qu. Qa, qi, qu. Qu,
qa qi qa qi qu. Qa qi qu. I can't make my throat do that.
Inshallah, exercise. I was say you before 2 minutes. Only exercise required. It's not hard, but exercise required only. You are intelligent, mashallah. You are an intelligent student, but exercise is very important in everything in life. You understand all alphabets. I know.
I understand.
Yeah, I know you understand all alphabets in Arabic language. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, swad, da, ta, wa, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, nun, waw, ha, hamza, ya. Right? But exercise required. Exercise required. If you will expert from the A to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If you will expert in alphabet of English, you will expert after that in complete English language. If you want experting in Arabic language, you must exercise required in alphabets. Alphabets coming with changing shape. Alphabet same, but shapes, alphabet same, but style change. With change shapes coming these alphabets of Arabic, right? If you want expert in Arabic language, then you must exercise in alif to za, alif to ya, alif ba ta sa jim ha ha, complete alphabets. If you will expert in alphabets of Arabic, then you will expert in Quran, in hadith, in prophet, all Islamic knowledge you will expert. Then you will expert in these alphabets. Alphabets are root. You know, in every language have alphabets, right?
Yeah.
Also in English. Okay. Alphabets root of every language. Okay. For any language alphabet is very important. And very important after that, alphabets pronouncing place. Pronouncing place. Okay. Q pronouncing place which? Tell me. Q. Top of throat, right?
Q.
Top of throat and middle throat and last throat side. Which throat side? Tell me.
Q. You don't use your throat when you say Q.
Q throat. It's top of throat.
No.
Please? No. Q. Wait, please. I will explain you now. At top of throat, you will read Q, Gain, Kha.
Gain, Kha. Gain, Kha.
Right?
But Q, you don't use your throat. You just say Q.
Q.
You say Q.
Q.
That's not how you say Q.
What's pronouncing good pronouncing Q? Teach me. Q.
Like you're saying cute. Q.
Oh, cute baby.
Yeah, Q.
Cute child. Okay, right. I know. But Q, some difference in English language people and in Arabic language peoples. No issue, inshallah. Okay, yeah, exercise required, inshallah. And in English, okay means yes, right? Okay, and some English pupils are saying okay. That's not saying okay. That's saying okay. Same word, same meanings, but style of pronouncing some difference. No issue.
Yeah.
What you say before 1 second? Yeah.
I said Q.
No, yeah. Yes and yeah same. Yes and yeah. Yes spellings Y-E-S. Right?
Yes.
Yes and yeah.
Yeah.
What's meaning of yeah and yes?
Yes.
What difference?
Means I.
Yeah and yes. What difference in meanings? Same meanings, same spellings, same meanings, but style of reading, style of pronouncing, some changes, some difference. Okay and okay, same. Yeah and yes, same. Yeah. I think you understand my pink language, pink English.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Some improve. You feel my in my English language some improving? No?
Improving, mashallah.
MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. Because I am using that with pupils in these days. If you will use these letters, will again read, then you will use to, inshallah, your throat, your exercise, your repeat. When you will repeat all letters of Arabic, then you will expert also. Understand? Our mother language is Urdu language. Our using in our country, Urdu language. But Alhamdulillah, I am using Arabic, talking, spoken English. Alhamdulillah, I am improving, alhamdulillah. Now, languages, English and Arabic. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Exercise required. Only. If you want to understand any language, then exercise is must. Okay?
Yes.
Okay and okay, same. Yes and yeah, same. No and no, same. Yeah. Cough, Q and gain or ka, same. Yeah, top of throat. Use pronouncing place.
Cough.
I think you understand now my message. Please.
Can we finish class now?
Why? I think you are tired now.
It's been 40 minutes almost.
Alhamdulillah, it's better for you because you absent before some days.
Yeah.
Okay, alhamdulillah, double class.
Hey.
Our